Son?
Yes, Daddy.
No, inside you say she there. So where we have to tiptoe from now?
Mommy come in like kingfish, so me not take no chance. Come, come.
Why you choose no for hungry?
No, I should have watched Twilight, you know.
Why you wake up, Mommy? Go on upstairs.
We can't eat upstairs.
I won't tell your Beatrice if you don't tell my mommy.
Start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than.
Been years since I've been in a studio.
What's changed?
Everything. The politics took on the music took on the politics. You're talking about the years of the 70s when you had a pure sound. When Dennis, Peter, Bonnie, they had a different kind of sound. Not all this computerized thing like you have now. That is when I met your mother.
So Mommy was a backup singer?
No, man.
So how you met Mommy?
I was a sound boy, and she was one sweet party girl.
Mommy was a party girl?
Yes, man. Not the old tyrant that you know now. She was one sweet woman. She knew how to have fun.
You know, you must stop taking liberty with Mommy still.
Anyway, that was another time.
Why you always do that?
Do what?
Start talking about something and then just stop. Somebody going to need to answer some questions soon.
Soon, but not now.
Soon beginning to sound like never.
It will come in time, all right? Just give it time.
So, how you never do no recording?
I go in the booth a couple of times, but them artists said it's scared of me.
Scared?
Yes. Then why you think some artists can't bust? It's because other artists scared that they're going to be replaced.
So you did wicked, daddy.
What? You put me in a booth, now I show you.
What? We're going to the boat now then.
Right now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready.
Ready.
Alright. Ready? Ready.
Oh, and I longing to hold you just for a night. Kissing and hugging and holding you tight. I'm in the wrong place to be real. Make it the last part now, you ready? Woo, 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 the reason.
Precious, how come Clumsy not doing this?
Some of the people have never appreciating.
Oh. So, how things in the kitchen?
All right, Jonathan and midterm, same round there working.
Okay. Boy, Precious, me really like how you run the place for me, though, you know, man.
Well, she was also somehow we taking up with man, can't do them work proper.
Precious, why you always beating down on me?
Because if you was thinking straight, you wouldn't have this mix up with Mr. Wedderburn.
Oh, yes, man.
Yeah.
Come out and say all what you want to say. Say everything what you want to tell me for a long time. If me never mash hands no more, no way I'm got. So tell me what you want to tell me now, Precious.
Beatrice, it don't make no sense we argue about this, you know, right? You try just lap your tail and go on, you hear me, Smee?
No, man. Because me want to know. Me really want to know what uno say what me no saw. So
Beatrice, the man shame you.
Shame on me,
Yes.
Precious?
Pan page 2 in the newspaper without you. But him come at the restaurant with wine, though. Him not good enough for your life and your friend them.
That can't be the solution, you know, Precious.
Yeah. So why you so desperate for find a different one?
Because Beatrice need love too. Hype so married and gone with wife. And the way him so popular now, and a fling himself all about. Him so have wife and baby mother separately. I don't want to be the lonely one, Precious.
So you prefer to be the miserable one?
I mean, that's a small sacrifice to pay for companionship. I mean, look at you. Look what you sacrifice for.
Which sacrifice?
You're sacrificing good looks. You're sacrificing intelligence. You're sacrificing the ability for a man to carry you over the threshold. You're sacrificing...
Miss me.
That's the sacrifice.
This one from me.
Do Precious.
Come on, what's in here?
Good morning, youngster.
How you call youngster?
Well, when you spend your time with the kind of woman I choose to associate myself with, one is obviously more mature than his peers.
Correct, mother, so down.
We do not speak that name in this house.
A man scoring.
Look, I've left childish ways and childish women behind.
And you come take up with Precious.
Do not speak of my star apple in that tone.
Okay, Romeo. So, there's Hype of a star apple.
I've seen this on TV. They're trying to trick me.
I'm going to try to check a material like you. Huh?
Well, that's true.
I'm just try to find out if Hype alright, you know?
Okay. I think at least you're done with Hype.
Like done?
Done. Like I'm gonna done some of Miss Beatrice's leftovers right now. Done.
Done.
Okay, Hype. Benzly Hype. I thought about answering the phone, but I wasn't sure I was ready to hear what you had to say. And I thought about calling my ex-boyfriend and getting revenge, but Okay, that's not going to go very well. All right. Just breathe, knock the door, say what you have to say, and be done with it, okay? He might not even be home, just... You're still here?
I live here.
No, you don't. You're only here until your wounds heal, and by the looks of you, it has.
You sure you want to get in a fight with a garrison girl?
I don't care where you're from. Why are you still here?
Me not done tell her that already.
You know what? Is Benzly here?
I think me I tell you that.
Right. Benzly! Hype!
Where you going to your yard?
I can do whatever I want. Thank you very much.
Well, go do what you want to do somewhere else.
Denise, we don't move and leave decent people alone. Go on inside, man.
Later.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I come inside?
Maybe I shouldn't.
So you better come over for?
Since you're the one with the wife, shouldn't I be the one with the attitude?
I thought I explained about that already. Thought you forgave me.
I think that's why I'm here.
To forgive me?
To allow you to explain all of this.
Explain what?
Why is Denise still here? Isn't she better? Why is she in your house, in your life? Why am I standing at the door? Why are we still having the same argument?
Lisa, you just don't...
Hype, you know what? It's not even about Denise. Because she's your ex-girlfriend, and I can kind of understand why it is you take her in. It's not about her. It's about why you keep excluding me out of your life.
But you're in my life.
No, I'm not. I had to hear of this clash on the radio, which doesn't sound like you. Plus everything else I get from Jonathan, who seems to see more of you than I do.
Alicia, please understand. Some things I just can't explain to you yet.
Why? If you can't tell me, then at least explain why. We can't have a relationship without communication.
So, we have a relationship?
I thought we did, but you don't seem to want that.
Alicia, baby, how you say that? You know you're my girl.
Yes, Hype, but you have to involve me in your life. Can you just talk to me?
It's not easy, you know. Because I don't think you will understand certain things.
See what I mean? Why wouldn't I understand? Not because we come from different backgrounds doesn't mean we can't share our lives.
So, you want to share my life?
Only if you let me. Later.
Good morning, listeners. This is Shakima from JA Radio. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming with some breaking news. JA Radio understands that the U.S. government has issued an extradition order for local strongman Kenneth Razorblade Rope. According to information reaching the newsroom, it is believed that Razorblade is a key player in the trade of drugs and guns between the United States and Jamaica. We will be following this story closely as it develops. We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
Jesus, what this mean for me and the crew? Me sell them to him. God, them are going to extradite the whole away.
Oh, me look. Rahul, oh, me look. Hello. This be Restaurant Bar and Grill again. Now today, I originate some new recipes. First, we have for the vegetarian people, the people who eat just vegetable. We have vegetable mince with a tip of bacon in it. Make sure I said that, Rahul. All right. Right. And then we have lobster and swims in mango chutney sauce. Other from that, we have French fried oxtail and soup. Thank you. Oh yes. I'll be having open mic so you can come and show off on talent. Rahul, show the things them here, but you know. Show the thing richness. Come down.
Excuse me, miss. I'm looking for beer.
Beatrice! One delivery man to you! Hello, how must I help you?
This is for you. You just sign here.
Thank you.
So it's foreign it come from?
You know I'm not dressed on it.
They open it now?
Aye,
Open it, man.
Wait now.
A diamond that?
Precious. You know I'm not dirty pot you in a back for a wash.
No bother with it. Because me see diamond, so me want to know what in the envelope. See the envelope there.
Give me this, man. It's from Weddy.
And you can't stop, read now.
Dear Beatrice, it seems we have hit upon a communication crossroads. This could be as a result of our varied upbringings, but love is about opposites coming together to speak their own unique language. I didn't give that symbiotic growth a proper chance. Oh, Beatrice, I do enjoy your company and sincerely hope you will reconsider spending more personal time with an old geezer like me. I really do miss you.
Aww.
What it say? What it say?
He really just apologize. But some of them big words, I mean, understand where you know, man.
Then what kind of apology that if you don't understand what I say?
It's a start.
Why them uptown people are not easy to do it now, eh? All of that we say sorry.
Well, not really. Him say he won't come to open mic tonight to apologize even more.
Which open mic?
My open mic.
Hype!
Do you have any threes?
Boss, I just hear about the extradition. Where you gonna do, boss?
Why you look so nervous, Mr. Grabsy?
Boss, at the US this, you know?
And it's me named Razor Blade.
Boss, how you know?
What you looking for?
Cameras, wiretaps, electrical devices, weapon of mass destruction.
The only weapon of mass destruction in here is me.
No, boss. Twelve. Body bag and them look like a boom.
His name is no joke. Anyway, don't worry yourself with the problems of America. Concern yourself with the crew.
So, boss, when we tell them if they ask me?
Tell them it's Razor Blade's business and they must do what me pay them for.
Okay, boss. No say no. Okay, boss.
So we career done then?
Razor Blade say him have them things under control.
This is quite a predicament.
Somebody can't get him a muzzle.
You need a muzzle.
There must be some legal repercussions for this situation.
Earth to clumsy.
Are the enemy this?
Ever since from you become a baby father, everything is a crisis.
Grabsy, you're fired. And you can't go tell Razor Blade that. He doesn't own the crew. I do. So when you go back to your boss, tell him say we want a meeting in 1 week from Fury Corner.
You look kid. Mad you madman.
Come on from a corner.
Fine.
She fly.
Shoo. So no.
Shoo.
Long time. Long time. So, Hype, you sure you want to do this?
No.
What is?
Mr. Hype,
Yes, little girl.
sure you did move uptown, but it kinda take the corner still.
So what that mean?
I'm ready for my corner.
What is, man?
We charge rental. $500.
Oh no, woman.
Per person.
Aye. Oh boy.
Per person.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Good night, Miss B.
Glad am I on this auspicious occasion. This is the big night for the restaurant. It's the opening of the open mic. So, I hope all of you who come here to sing, dance, act, and perform and such the like will do so. But before we do that, I would like to bring on my son, Hype, on the stage. So, without further ado, please give a round of applauses to my son, Hype, and the Innocent Crew.
Do you mind if I...
No, man. Oh, man, give him a chance, man. Come do your thing, my boss.
Thank you. B, you have to come off the stage for the performance.
Why?
Please, just do it for me. It'll be fine. This is for you. I'm so in love with you. Whatever you want to do, it's all right with me. Let me be the one you come running to. I want to spend my whole life with you. Oh, baby, let's stay together, loving you whether times are good or bad, happy or sad.
Now me know why you like him, you know.
Why?
Because it's what no mother like.
So, apology accepted?
Almost. But I can think of a better way for you to apologize.
Oh, behave.
Yes, behave.
Oh, is it ready?
It's your mother. She has a lot of stuff. It looks like she's going to be spending quite a while.
Violence is never the answer.
Tell us, how do you know the Innocent Crew?
I'm Hype's wife.
Hype! Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.